In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Coda. Whether you're relatively new to this platform or simply looking to refine your searching skills, we'll walk through the process together step by step so you can navigate your workspace with ease and efficiency. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Coda's website. For those unfamiliar, Coda is an all-in-one collaborative workspace that combines documents, spreadsheets, and powerful building blocks to help you create your own productivity tools. It's an excellent resource for managing tasks, projects, and more, all integrated seamlessly into a unified interface. Once you are on the homepage of Coda, find and click the Get Started button. This will guide you through setting up your account if you haven't already. If you're a returning user, you can simply log in. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's continue assuming you've opted to click Get Started. Next, you'll see an option to sign in using your Google account. Using Google to sign in can streamline the process, allowing for a quicker and more secure login as your settings and preferences are retained across sessions. Click on the Google button to proceed to the account selection. Here, a new window will appear, prompting you to select your Google account. Your chosen account should be one associated with the work or projects you're handling in Coda. Simply click on your relevant account, and Coda will handle the rest, logging you into your personalized dashboard. Now that you're in your workspace, it's time to learn how to perform searches. Coda allows you to conduct a universal search across multiple documents using the search bar at the top of your workspace. This tool is particularly useful if you have numerous documents and need to quickly locate data or information spread across different files. Alternatively, if you're looking to search within a specific document, open the document to get started. Once inside, navigate to the upper left corner and click on Show Pages. This option allows you to view and navigate through different sections of your document with ease. Within this interface, you'll notice a search bar accompanied by a magnifying glass icon. Use this feature to enter your query and locate the precise content you're after within that specific document. This method is perfect for when you need to dive deep into the details of a single document and quickly find specific information. Following these steps should arm you with the skills to efficiently search within Coda, optimizing your productivity and ensuring you spend less time looking and more time doing. As you continue to use Coda, these features will become second nature, making your workflow smoother and more intuitive. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore other Coda features to maximize your experience.